Hermes on Rue Slate Honoré. It's the original Hermes store, and I'm so excited to share everything with you. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel. It helps me out so much. Follow me on Instagram and on TikTok if you want more short form content. And now let's head into Hermes. Okay, so this is the first bag I'm filming inside Hermes, and it's a gorgeous Birkin Cellier in black box. Palladium hardware. It's so beautiful. This is where they do all of the appointments. This is another Cellier. I love it. They have the prices, 11,900 euros. Not sure the name of this red, but again, it's in box. They're doing so much box. And then look at the little mini Kelly, same color, 9,250 euros. It's got these great Constance, gorgeous red. This adorable little mini Kelly. Look at this one over here with the gold hardware. This almost looks like a dark green. It's beautiful. Again, there's this one over here. And this beautiful dark blue in the Cellier. It's gorgeous. And then over here we've got the Kelly 28. And this over here is in box calf, Kelly 28 Palladium hardware. This over here is the So Black, which they haven't had a So Black in so long. This one, I think, I'm not sure, it's in rubber torn. I think it might be a 35. It's hard to tell. It's very slouchy, but beautiful soft leather. I think this is in Swift. Gorgeous. And then, let me see. They also have this amazing one. This is called this Kelly Cellier Midas. It's got this great gold handle. It's beautiful, and this is in the 25 size. Which is it? $119,000 for this one. Really beautiful. And then let me show you this one here. It's orange and it's got like these little crystals on it. It's very beautiful. 166,500. This is one of those really unique ones. 10,500 euros. It's really beautiful. And then over here, they've got some unique ones. This little fluffy one. Over here, they've got the little picnic one. It's so cute. 12,400 euros. They've got the Kelly Danse and ostrich in the super bright yellow color. Classic Kelly. I think this is the 28 size. Palladium hardware. They've got the giant one as well. And what I really want to show you over here. This one is so pretty. So these are the Birkin 25s. This is gold on gold, so classic, but torn. And then they've got the Swift one in yellow, Palladium hardware. This over here is 40, I believe. Size 40. It's huge. And is this an HAC? No, I think the HAC has like a bigger handle. That's how you know it's a hat. But I'm not 100%. And then this one's color is so gorgeous. It's beautiful. They've got this little canvas one over here. It's so pretty. Over here they've got a couple of wallets. This little yellow one is so beautiful. They've got some exotics over here. This gorgeous gold color.
Yes, I can't get an appointment for one either, so that's the frustrating thing. So I did the lottery and I put any store. Is that good? You don't get specific, right? You just say any store. Any store.
It's so funny. I'm listening to people trying to get an appointment. Everyone has the same story. Everyone's like, I'm trying so hard to get an appointment. I'm trying any store. I can't get an appointment. But anyways, yeah, this is the Lindy in the two-tone. Here they've got some bracelets. So over here they've got all of the prices for all of the bracelets. They've got the Kelly Tour over here. They've got the little Click H bracelets. These over here. These little bangles. So cute. A pink bracelet. It's a Click H. And It's cute little baby pinky. Look at these gorgeous little mini Kellys. So cute in the pink. More pretty bracelets. And then they've got this beautiful baby blue color over here. Love these. They're so cute. And then look at this little mini Kelly over here in the ostrich and the green. It's gorgeous. I love that.
Like, and check your...
So over here, this little one, I think this is in Craie. It's really beautiful. They've got these cute little Orans. Got this little suede one over here. These gloves are so cute. Okay, I always like to show the window display at Hermes at the end of the video. So look at this gorgeous saddle. This is in Rouge Cellier, I believe it's called, or maybe Rouge H. That's what it is. They've got this Birkin 35. I'm not sure what this color is. It's very beautiful. They've got this huge HAC. I think this is in the 50 size. A crocodile saddle back there. I'm going to do a little zoom in. It's a little dark, so it's hard to see, but really beautiful. They've got this great sandal, these gloves, and it just rained in Paris while I was inside. It wasn't raining before, but yeah. So let me show you. This is a beautiful leather. I remember seeing this at the Sèvres location, but yes, I forget the name of it, but it's a very old leather from Hermes that they've brought back, and it's used mostly for men's items. This, I believe, is an HAC. Yeah, it's really beautiful. I know so many of you guys enjoy these little window displays, so I definitely want to show everything. They've got the riding boots here, and let's see what the other one is. Oh yeah, this one is so pretty with this Birkin touch. This has the crocodile. It has this giant alligator HAC. Another saddle, some metallic gloves. Then on this window display, look at this gorgeous ostrich Kelly. Love this one. The color is so gorgeous. The saddle is beautiful as well. And they also have a matching HAC bag, some gloves, and then check out the mini Kelly over here. So pretty. And I always love their gloves. Gorgeous. Alright guys, I really hope you enjoyed that Hermes luxury shopping vlog. This is the last window over here. There's some cute dog collars, bracelets, bags, and of course make sure you're subscribed to the channel. It helps me out so much. You can follow me on Instagram and on TikTok. It's just DB Double Vanilla. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next Paris vlog. Bye! Oh,